There is a real reason why we all have a bite. Do you want to find out? Stay tuned in. Fumio Toki is my name. Welcome to my channel, Keto Ninja Toki. Keto diets are the healthiest diet practice. I'm promoting keto diets. I'm sure you have your own reason why you eat. Maybe because it's your lunchtime, or because you love eating. I'd like to find out why we eat from the metabolism point of view, though. Metabolism is like this. You eat food. Your digestive system breaks food down into tiny particles, nutrients. These nutrients are absorbed and used to repair or regenerate the cells of your body. The whole process is metabolism, and so you are really eating for your metabolism. You are actually a bunch of many cells. Every day, 500 billion cells or more are supposed to be replaced. If this happens, you are healthy and you have a good metabolism. Healthy eating assures the cell replacement and good metabolism. The question is, what healthy eating is? Let's find out. Ta-da! Take a look at this chart. I want to find out why we eat the 3 macronutrients, carbs, fats, and protein, as well as the micronutrients, vitamins, and minerals on the chart. All these nutrients are used for 3 purposes. 1. Energy. 2. Building blocks. 3. Regulation. Obviously, the metabolism needs some energy to do its job. For that, it uses carbs. Fat and protein can also be energy sources. I want you to notice that carbs can only be an energy source. Carbs are merely a fuel for metabolism. On the other hand, fats and protein are fuel sources, but also they have some important other things to do. Fats and protein are used as building blocks to repair or recreate your body parts, including the brain, central nervous system, muscles, bones, internal organs, skin, hair, and nails. Everything in your body needs protein and/or fats. Fats are also used for the regulations. For example, hormones are made of fats. Hormones are communicators for your body parts. Thanks to hormones, your body parts can get on well with each other. For example, the satiety hormone, leptin, tells the brain, "Hey, I'm full," so you stop eating. Ghrelin, on the other hand, is the hunger hormone. Ghrelin signals the brain, "I'm hungry," so you eat. Thanks to fats, we can get all these functional regulators, hormones. Thereby, the body regulation is an important role of fats. Since fats triples all these roles, energy, building blocks, and regulation, your body needs a lot of fat, as well as a decent amount of protein. Compared to fats and protein, your metabolism does not need a lot of carbs. A bit of carbs are sufficient enough. Even if your carb intake is nil, 0, none, fats would be the alternative energy source, so it's not going to be an issue. This is why dietetics considers fats and protein to be essential nutrients, but not carbs. Minerals and vitamins perform vital roles in the metabolism, including healing a wound, looking after the immune system, and repairing damaged cells. By the way, we can get most of minerals and vitamins from protein-rich food such as fish, eggs, meat, and cheese, so you don't need to eat tons of veggies to get micronutrients. But there is one particular vitamin these protein-rich food cannot supply. That is vitamin C. So we want to eat some vitamin C-rich veggies as well, such as kale, spinach, and broccoli, or just take vitamin C supplement. Now, let's take a look at the keto macronutrient chart. This is interesting. How keto diets distribute these macronutrients are definitely aligned with how the metabolism uses these macronutrients. As we saw, your body needs a lot of fat. The keto chart says your diet should have 70% of fat. That's plenty. But the metabolism actually requires a lot of fat. Yes, keto diets are not necessarily protein-driven. They are fat-driven. It's a good idea to eat plenty of fatty food like fatty beef mince, chicken thigh, bacon, sardines, and mackerel. Drop a few pieces of butter on scrambled eggs. Put coconut oil in the soup and pour olive oil on veggies. Let me recap. We keto dieters are eating according to the metabolism needs. That's why keto diets are very healthy and optimal eating habits. If you hop on keto diets, in addition to weight control, your stamina, motivation, enthusiasm, mental clarity all turn the corner. Benefits are endless. I'm sure keto diets will be your lifestyle change. I'm logging off. Enjoy your keto dieting. If you like my video, follow me on Twitter and subscribe my channel. Enjoy your day or a night.